It's syrup day again, and I get passionate about making my syrups. And today, we're gonna make passion fruit syrup. Yeah! Ha! It's gonna be great. You wait. First thing I want to do is talk about passion fruit. You know, how do you know it's ripe? It should kind of resemble a giant purple raisin, you know, and the more wrinkled up it is, the sweeter it is, and the more ripe it is. So if your passion fruit isn't ripe, just leave it on the counter and it'll ripen. You know, the origin of the purple passion fruit is native from southern Brazil through Paraguay to northern Argentina. Now you know. First thing you want to do is cut up some passion fruit. And you want about 7 of them, and they're really easy. Have you ever had passion fruit? Oh geez, that's ripe. Look at that. Oh my God. And we're just going to scoop it out into our bowl. Yeah. 7 of them. You don't want any of that white pith in there. You know, it can get really expensive, but it's well worth it. I paid $2 a pop for these, so I'm in for 20 bucks. Yeah, look at that gold. The smell is wonderful. These are actually really nice and ripe. I'm liking it. So what I got out of those 7 passion fruits is a half a cup. That's about what you want. I got a medium heat going on, and I'm going to add a cup of sugar. I've got some cane sugar, organic cane sugar. You could use white sugar. I've got a cup of nice, clear, clean water. I'm going to dump that in there. And a half a cup of our passion fruit. I'm going to dump that in there too. Oh yeah, baby. And we're just going to give that a little stir. And yeah, it kind of looks like a dog's breakfast, but it smells delicious. Mm-hmm. And what we're doing is basically bringing this to a boil. And dissolving all that sugar. It's so simple to make, guys. Just a little pricey. A lot of times too, you know, you can buy passion fruit syrup. But the problem there is most of the time there's a lot of preservatives in it and it doesn't taste fresh. Okay, we're coming to a boil now. And I like to boil it for just a gentle boil for maybe a minute or so. Just keep stirring. Okay, we've brought it to a boil and we let it on a gentle boil for about a minute. And now we're just going to take it off our stove. Pop a lid on. And we're just going to let it cool for about an hour. I'll see you in a clock wipe, okay? I'm going to go pour myself a drink. All right, it's been about an hour now, and so we've got our great syrup here, and it just smells awesome. And I thought we should add some fresh passion fruit to it. Maybe 2. There's half, there's 1. And the reason I'm doing this is because I think it's just gonna add that extra to the flavor. It's just gonna brighten it up. Stir all that in there. Oh yeah, I can smell that fresh passion fruit that hasn't been cooked. And now all we're gonna do is strain it out. So I thought the best way to do is just dump her right through the sieve. And we should yield about a cup, maybe a hair more. We'll find out. Drip, 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 drip. Stuff smells awesome, by the way. I guess we'll just give that a little helping hand. And what to do with all this pulp? Well, I'm thinking you either blend it up, put it in your smoothie, or spread it over some toast. It still looks like, well, dog's breakfast, but it smells so much better. I think we're pretty much there. I'm just borderline of a cup and a half. So that's kind of cool, eh? Done. So yeah. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just transfer this great little mixture into our bottle. Look at the color. How lovely is that? And you know, you want to leave a little bit of room at the top for some alcohol. The only reason we're doing this is to preserve it a little longer. You know, typically, as is, you might get a week out of the fridge. But when we add a little bit of alcohol, you're going to get, you might get like a month out of it. Okay, what to put in? I'm kind of swaying towards rum. I'm kind of swaying towards gin. Vodka is the most neutral, so we should probably throw in vodka. Let's do it. I got my skull vodka! Ah, hell, yeah. All right, where's my funnel? Actually, let's use the little funnel. And we're going to add about an ounce. Looking good. Good looking. All right. Okay, all we want to do now is just pop a cork in it. Give it a little shake here. And you know, I guess we should try it, shouldn't we? Okay. My trusty little... Passion. Actually, that's really good. Oh my God, that's... I need to sit there and drink that sucker. Oh, that's gonna be wonderful in an upcoming cocktail. So make some passion fruit syrup. Get all passionate about it. Maybe go get naked and make it. I don't know. I'm on Patreon now. Yeah.
The UK KFC has come up with a list of cocktails using KFC gravy.
So is the drink hot? How's it served? Over ice?
Okay, to create your parsley and brown sugar, 15 mils of cherry liqueur.
Cherry. Ooh, cherry and gravy.
It's like Christmas in a glass.
Sorry, guys. I gotta leave. I gotta get my ass out there and get some cherry gravy. For just a few dollars a month, you get access to things that nobody else sees. You get bloopers, you get podcasts, newsletters, and sneak peeks. You get a whole whack of stuff that you're gonna love. So become one of my booze hounds and help support the show. This stuff gets expensive, and every little bit goes back into the show. Thanks in advance. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.